A Masicka depend in prime. Alkaline not depend in prime. Right now.
A few moments later.
Alkaline have to come back into rich. Him have to come back and a par around with Not Nice, Frost and Jordan. Once he get them three things there.
One eternity later.
Cartel and Masicka father. Alkaline father. Tommy Lee father.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know what Media Fox now. Yeah man. People must see Khago run out. But I might chat a bag of things. But I realize what I do. Some of the time when the money fall out and talk, you know. It's like the man them just run with. It's like some wagon is running. The moment them say them are the artist, then the more them are carry this artist. You can't even believe them, but we are going to video and make you see what going on. Is it?
But the facts are the facts. A Masicka depend in prime. Alkaline not depend in prime right now. Alkaline have to get back Jordan them and Frost.
Yo, you know some feel like say Khago just him head not too righted. The man say for Alkaline go back on him prime, I forget back Jordan and Frost. Bro, Alkaline been a do things I get 8 songs and everything without Jordan and Frost them, brother. What you talk about? You keep on bringing up things, bro. It's like you want people just I do the same thing them from then till now. You want Alkaline their own producer feel right through the music. How can you venture in a different sound, different music when you stick with one same producer? You have so many producers out there. New one, young one, where you can work with. Whatever happened with Alkaline and these producer, Alkaline and the producer, them know what happened. That's why them just stop work with each other. Them know why them fall out. But when you go say prime, bro, like, I don't understand. Yes, this is Masicka prime. Like, he might get him run now. Yeah. Alkaline prime gone from around 2016, them around there, 2017, so 2015. From when him boss, 2013. Seeing? That's the Alkaline prime time. But Alkaline name been calling, him been dropping hit songs and everything without them seeing producer what you call, bro. So I don't understand what you mean by go do back work with this. How many producers? I don't understand. So now going like say, how many artists work with the same producer them and them still not reach to the level of Alkaline? Cause I don't feel like say, bro, at the producer them with the rhythm and make an artist always go to that level. Bro, look how much you producer in the game, bro. We work with this artist, I work with this, but it's like nothing happen, brother. You understand? It's the artist themselves, them fan base. Seeing? Right now, in a war right now, Alkaline name a call, bro. Every time Masicka name call, Alkaline name call, fam. It's like you blind, brother. You see, you blind.
Facts are facts. Bro, when you see me turn off this and me lock up, me study music, Alkaline and I'm prime leader, dog. And Masicka depend in prime.
So, I don't understand with this. How comes Alkaline fall in this situation? And the war between Tommy Lee and Masicka. What you mean? How Alkaline forward in a prime time thing? I don't understand this.
Alkaline, not in a prime neither. Alkaline music them is not like before, brother. And Alkaline and the artist. Alkaline have to work out back with Jordan and Frost. Once he get back Jordan and Frost in a corner, that's it. Come back at Jamaica, come start. You notice me could never find it back until me come back here. 5 years now, me sit on one place. I try Alkaline have to come back into rich.
Brother, stop it. Brother, Khago, stop your nice, dog. You sound like some idiot, brother. What do you mean by Alkaline have to come back at Jamaica? See, I tell me say music. When you come at Jamaica and you do music, you just stay at Jamaica. So like, bro, I don't understand this. How much artists who live at Jamaica still now do Alkaline do and at Jamaica them there? Them producer where you call out, bro. Them are linked with different artists. And the same artists where them are produce is not going on with nothing, bro. You going like say, so Alkaline produce Sponge Music and Javi them and all these things, bro. Not because a Masicka time now where He might drop some song, I drop some hot songs and all these things, right? With you don't know the label behind him. I push him album, him music, them everyone that him a promote in a Jamaica more than Alkaline right now. Cause I'm under a label. If you check the charts them, yeah, him dead there. The song them, I just the song them what the people them a run with now, fam. You tell a man to come back to Jamaica. You don't even know if Alkaline they are Jamaica, brother. You don't know right now. Not because you don't see a man at Jamaica means him that they are Jamaica, fam. So when you talk about him have to come back at Jamaica, look how much artists there Jamaica, brother, and now getting a song. What you talk about? And them a link with the top producer them. Them not getting no hit song, fam. So when you talk about true Masicka now, then I'm looking prime where people are pay attention because you might get a highlight from a lot of artists, bro. I that no forgot. Masicka is getting a lot of endorsement by Bounty them before Man Cartel fall out. A lot of people are highlight Masicka, fam. So when I feel like remember say Masicka in the game. Imagine Masicka in the game for how long. And him just to get a good run in a dancer now after what 10 years? Bro, I'm sick in the head, bro. Me I tell you, so my time when I talk on no sense. The man say Alkaline need to come back to Jamaica. Like really, bro. Alkaline name I call up the most right now. And you a tell the man saying to come back to Jamaica. Bro, you know no sense. Bro, Masicka drop the song them. Him a drop the song them all the time. Him a drop song more than Alkaline. That's why while him label promote him album them, seeing, and the DJs them a play him song. Right? I just Masicka time, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Every dancehall artist have their moment in a dancehall. So, but when you go say Alkaline forward back at Jamaica, bro, Alkaline they are Jamaica most of the time. Him just not show, him just not. They not the media like other rest of artists them. You see me?
Him have to come back and a par around with Not Nice, Frost and Jordan. Once he get them three things there. Alkaline I'm gonna need 2% time prime. If you knock 5 more year on top. And Masicka in prime now, I don't know if you know that.
Khago, he man say, he man have to go link back with, come back and link back with Not Nice them. Brother, from Alkaline left round Not Nice, which other artist Not Nice has put out there? As such as impactful like Alkaline. Which other artist? Eh? What you mean? Not because a Masicka time now mean say why Alkaline not there at this time. Bro, Alkaline been in the conversation, bro. The youth are sell out the arena, them every little thing, bro. Seeing? When the youth drop song, is a different thing. You notice the little war we are going right now? For the whole year, them a call Alkaline. If I know him and Bounty, them say Alkaline fan walk out. If I know the new rules them, we keep looking at the clash we are going on now, everybody a run out. Can you talk off your mouth, you know, bro? Because I know you know wagon is, you know. Because you just use artist name, forget strength. You a say, yo, you been a fight. Khago, what you mean by fight? Fight which Alkaline? You be that town, which Alkaline, brother? Bro, you never stop use them analogy there, brother. You understand? Because you just pick artists who you feel like say, yo, at the moment, something not going on. And that me realize with Uno fam. You see it? Alkaline a do him thing, bro. Alkaline in the media and the man name a call. Everybody want war Alkaline a send shots. Black Rhino, the whole of them. And the youth no fire back off and no. Remember Alkaline and no do them money nothing, you know. Joshy them and Rhino them. Alkaline and them money and run out, brother. So that tell you from. Tell you say Alkaline is a different youth, dangerous youth. You see me? So more while you not talk, bro, it's like you not see the vision. I just that.
This is no tear down. Alkaline, out of all of them are Alkaline. Me a champion for Alkaline. Josh not in prime neither. Age wise, but for how long you not give him that strength there? Him a taking a little time and a Billy back since the two. You know in prime right now, Masicka in prime. Masicka is in his prime and that's why I say top farm. The way how the dog attack your rhythm, the way how him brave for the rhythm, the way how him a swag. Without the whole heap of melody whisper rare and Masicka in prime.
Khago, but Masicka in prime. Now if you do nothing with Alkaline in prime, bro. Because at the end of the day, anybody will tell you right now, Alkaline is a bigger artist. We see it in them shows them. Masicka nah pulling up big crowd, nah sell out in the arena, fam. You understand? You not get tricked because Masicka is well marketed in Jamaica. Him song them a play around, the DJ them a play. And remember this, bro. Masicka was affiliated with the Gaza fam. That is why even him get more push. But now, him and the Gaza not too link. Things are play out different. Remember that, bro. Alkaline was that man where the industry try push aside. But what? Him defeat that and become the man in a dancehall right now. You understand? Wait till next year. We're not going to see what happen. And see who really is the man. You see it? Cartel do him thing. Him just come back from prison and start do some shows where he never did that do back then. Fine. But Alkaline been here doing shows for years. Setting records, everything. He's a brother with no boast about them thing. Him just do him job and left. You understand? But me don't know why I can't go him forward with this. Yo, Masicka, brother. Masicka Prime now have nothing to do with Alkaline Prime, bro. Yes, Masicka in the talking tone right now. He might drop some song. It not have nothing to do with Alkaline, bro. We no keep on and put Alkaline with Masicka, brother. And it's a trick. It's like for you to have him own show, a sold out arena, all these things. You understand? Because if Masicka no feedback off of Alkaline, there's nothing there to say, fam. Nothing is there to say. See why now war? Everybody has say, yo, Masicka afraid of Alkaline, afraid of Alkaline. But that tell you, bro. But we know say Masicka look up to Alkaline, bro. Him look up the same man where they are talk about system and fight him. And the same thing Alkaline go through. Alkaline been and say, yo, the system. You understand? So him just I go through a little thing right now, which him not really I go through nothing, bro. You understand? Him just a play some little sympathy card. You see me? Cause everybody get where them forget, bro. Masicka get pushed by the system, brother. Him get pushed by the system. You understand? Because right now you have people who still rate him same way. You see me? I just that.
Top prime in right now. No boy. Not evil Leroy in our prime neither. Tommy Lee continue by January, February in catch back in prime. What we just say a while ago, if Tommy Lee continue upon this, he might get back in prime. Prime Tommy Lee. But you still have to understand, say, age have factor to do with everything. You hard have to lose weight, you can't jump like before. Listen what me I said. Because Tommy Lee a big man too, you know. Masicka is a mega age. Bias me no bias my youth. If you listen to the way how me fucking talk, me a facts me talk. Not even me no in my prime. Me vocal in my prime, but health-wise we not in our prime. You take too long to take off 10 pounds.
Brother, let me tell you this, brother. Your prime is when you are get a run in a dancehall, like when you know say yo, you drop the song them, you get the talk about them, right? That is your prime, bro. Seeing? Where you get the most attention. Cartel Prime was before prison. But through him did lock up now and forward out and him never go these places. It a go be, yo, a rare scenario where, yo, him never did I do them something. So everybody a go and see him and see what I go on and what the outcome. Seeing? Masicka bust from him first song Hardball round. 2013 or 14, around them time there, right? Him never really get the run them because a lot of artists always are busting at the year them. Alkaline did there. Cartel do all thing from prison. You have Tommy Lee, them you have Popcorn, the whole of them. So them always are overshadow film thing because him never have the fan base and I get the push like that. Seeing, but him and everybody good. Right? Then knowing him link with the Gaza now, him start get that push there. See after him get the push from the Gaza, at this or now. When him drop 438 and forwarding up, at this or now, everybody start tuning. Bunty a link with him, Beanie Man a link with him, enough Shaggy the whole of them. I'm going to do a video about that. See? The whole of them a link with him. So, that a way have a strength to get him in a theme thing, bro. But now, I'm prime, bro. I'm get him run now because him never get it like 10 years ago. Because there was a lot of artists in a dancehall way. True, if you realize, I be a young artist, be a new artist in a dancehall now. So for the last 10 years, the only top man them I followed out a dancehall them like you have Tommy Lee, you have Masicka, you have Alkaline. In a them young generation there. Right now. The 3 man them we hear name I call right now, yeah. Joshy them and them artists there, young, same way. Where they them boss? You see me? Where they them boss? So the 3 man them we hear forward call, the man they are forward from the same local area. Tommy Lee boss, then Alkaline, then Masicka. Seeing? So right now, Masicka just a get him run because before that you have Ragging King and them artists, little Skillbang, the whole of them always I get the run, and so Masicka did just him a drop him song, but it's like him never really get that much attention there, but him a drop some song same way. You understand? So and now a Masicka I get him look run, him look prime time now. You see me? But that now if you do with no other artist prime time, bro. Everybody get them prime time already. It's just that Alkaline bill him thing as a legend where him name is still a call today. The way how the youth style and everything and or him bill him brand. You understand?
Cannot Masicka in a prime. Cartel and Masicka father. Alkaline father. Tommy Lee father.
Khago, you know say, I realize say you're sick. I realize say you're sick, dog. That word that you say a while ago, you're sick. I don't know where you get this Alkaline. Yeah, you can say Tommy Lee and Masicka. When you say Cartel or Alkaline father, no, brother. You're wrong there, so. No. Let's not say that, fam. Not say that, dog. You go wrong there, so, youth. I don't know what you mean by father, dog. Yeah, you can say Masicka and Tommy Lee because them man, they did that endorse him thing. You understand? Them man, they look up to him. Yeah, but not Alkaline, bro. You see me? Yeah, Alkaline don't say Cartel a great artist. But the father thing, nah. I know say it go, fam.
Bro, why would you hear Fox attack and you say disrespect? Scatter them and go sit down and know say you a Fox Khago attack. Khago, me don't have a skin in a game. You understand? But listen to me. Masicka youth who is part used to come turn up in a studio and watch me and sing for core them and not nice them.
You know, me realize with Khago is a brother. Him coming like a leech. You see when an Alkaline moment, him reel up, yo, me I bring Alkaline in. Yo, I may fight for Alkaline, yo, I may be in a endorse him. You see through a Masicka time now, you know him though? Him start talk about, yo, Masicka usually in a studio with me a voice and everything. Him want to take the youth them cred and put in a film scenario. Right? Like him want pick side. He want pick side with that man, him want pick side with this man. Yeah. Seeing? That's why him a try involve say, yo, Masicka prime and Alkaline prime. I don't know how that bring up and I say Alkaline for come back at Jamaica. What? Bro. Brother live in a Jamaica or foreign, bro. Music and music. You understand? And if you're Jamaica, your music will reach foreign, bro. How much artists they are Jamaica and can't get a bus? Them can't get talked about. Them they are Jamaica. So none of that, brother. None of that. The music, fam, is the music. Because uno stuck. Remember, bro, Masicka sing some song where some people are calling one flow. Right? So many times we as Jamaican, some people just love that sound there. And them just work with that. But a how long? You understand? Because the reason why them did a push up Masicka is because them time there, him align with the Gaza thing. Him and everybody good. But him and Cartel them not too rare again. Seeing, we not go see the difference. You understand? But because Masicka and everybody good, that's why them endorse him. He's friend with the system. That's why, brother. So if Alkaline drop some song, majority of them maybe not play it because we don't know that go. Or them are found out, yo, that flop, yo, boy, Alkaline flop, right? Come on, bro. From Cartel come out and see the moves and everything. But Alkaline sang them just always cling up on key, man. Them drop with it. Alkaline a really drop song like that, bro. Masicka always a drop song, brother. Him always a drop song. Oh, this man so hot. You know say this man prime time and hot. But him can't sell out the arena. Him can't do nothing. Him just a get booked for some regular show where have fans like Sans Soundfest, all of them thing there. Why him can't have a big show for himself? Why him can't sell out the arena then? By himself. Why him can't do it? When I say him around the place, him a do this and bro, I tell you now already, you know. Things and time. You understand? And I go see what go on. You see it?
Did you hear me just say a while ago? Masicka used to come turn up round so when quarry them just a deal with Masicka. Me a one of them will help bribe if he happen me.
Him always, yo, me I tell you see that brother, yeah? Him just always a try to take the artist them credit and whatever them do. So, him say, him a try for Alkaline. I ain't, brother, me don't know if nothing like that, brother. But we know say some artists, them just love, feel like them, anytime something talk about the artist, them want bring up something for say, yo, them a part of that, them a part of this. For get the credit. Them don't want the artist get the credit, you know. Them want to say, them make the artist, them reach a so and all of them little thing. That's how them money stay, bro. Me I tell you. You can't trust them. Yeah, man, but when I don't know any people, I want media facts, yo, big up for the support and thing, you see me? That is it.